Hello my dear students, today in the series of Stay Home and Stay Safe, we are going to study the lesson The Tiger King, class 12. When we think about this lesson before discussion, we must have to observe what the literary devices that are used in the lesson. These literary devices are humor. What is that humor? That which creates laughter. So many scenes which are given in the lesson also create the laughter. Suppose that when we study about the king killing the tiger that was old enough that it was not capable to walk even a single step in itself, that was brought before the king to be killed. Second thing is satire. Satire is a direct attack on anyone. This satire is originated from the word saturaling, and the definition is that the true amendment of vices through correction. Vices are what? Demerits or evils that must also require reform to be corrected. Third thing, irony. Irony has two meanings, surface and inner meaning. When the Tiger King was born, he was foretold by the astrologers that he would be killed by the 100th number of tigers. But the king throughout his whole life misunderstood it. He killed the tigers, the real living tigers, throughout his life. Inner hidden meaning was that 100th number tiger would be the cause of his death, and at last he was killed by a wild tiger. So whatever effort of killing the tiger that was adopted by the king was seen as futile, useless. This is. Now we have to think about the lesson. When the Maharaja was born, he was given many names as Maharaja Jilani Jang Bahadur. The story, when we think about the introduction, the whole story of the lesson revolves around a king whose death has been declared from a tiger as the astrologers foretold or predicted at the time of his birth. The king's effort of killing tigers, these are real tigers, not the toy tigers, seemed as futile, useless, as he was killed by 100th number of toy tigers. When we think about the theme of the lesson is based upon the transience, momentariness, momentary, short-living period of life and power. So this lesson, we can say, it is a satire on the pride and stubbornness, haughtiness of powerful people. What they do, what they act throughout their life, it is useless for them. Autocratic and eccentric, these are the common things when the men are in power, because as it is the statement of William Shakespeare also, sole power is bound to corrupt men. Main character is who? Maharaja of Pratibandhapuram was a brave, resolute, determined, courageous, but he lacked one thing, and that was worldly wisdom. Even at the age of 10 days, one miracle that took place when the astrologers told him that he would be killed by the 100th number of tigers, Then he challenged the prediction of the astrologers. Next we think about the summary. When the Tiger King was born, he was 10 days old. The astrologers were called and they foretold about his future that he would be killed by the hunted tiger. Maharaja challenged all of them, and it was his stubbornness that throughout his life he murdered so many tigers. Even all his tigers, near about 70, in his kingdom, Pratibandhapuram, were killed. Even the British officer who came in his kingdom to hunt the tiger, he had given the bribery of so many diamond rings to the wife of the British officer as to save the species of tigers of his own kingdom. But at last, there were no more tigers. This was the reason that he married a nearby state princess which was known for tiger population. At last, the king killed 99 tigers. No tiger was remaining. And he ordered his diwan to bring the 100 number of tiger. Anyhow, they purchased a tiger which was very old, and this 100 number tiger was brought before him. Even the shot that was used by the gunshot of the king, the sound made this tiger fainted, and he was not killed by the king. And all the ministers were afraid of that when they would tell the king that it was not killed by him, they would be hanged for this as a punishment. At last, at the birth of his own son, the king purchased a toy tiger, and this toy tiger, when he was playing with his son, created an infection upon his finger, and from the infection, at last, the king died. Even the last statement, when the doctors were making surgery of the king's body, this is also humorous statement. They said, operation is successful, the king is dead. When the patient is dead, how can we say that the operation is successful? This is also a great comment on the lesson. Thank you. Jai Hind.